Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampACrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks so much for joining me today. This week I was going to show you some fun cards that we can do with the Everyday Thanks stamp set. Now this was designed to show thanks for our emergency services, our teachers, our doctors and nurses, lots of different opportunities for this, but we can do cards that aren't just thank you cards. So that's what I wanted to show you this week, is to pair them with maybe another stamp set or something so that we can do something other than a thank you card. So today I'm going to use the pencil, and this could be for a teacher or it could be for anyone. I just think the pencil's really quick and easy to color and super easy to cut out. So I'm starting with a base of thick basic white. Then we have a layer of basic black, and I will post measurements on my blog. And then a piece of the designer paper, and I should have checked the name of this because I can't remember names of anything. It's that's not it. Beautifully Eclectic designer paper. This is a big pack of paper, but it has 4 sheets of each pattern. So we're going to use this because this is our crushed curry color, which goes perfectly with our pencil. All right, let's bring in, I've got a piece of white that I die cut with the deckled rectangle dies. I use the 3rd largest. And I'm using this stamp set, Go To Greetings. I love this because it's got 4 sentiments in the 3 different fonts. Now I love this font and I'm going to use Just a Note, but this is a little dainty for my, kind of clunky pencil. So this font was just way too small. This one is just right. It's just like the 3 bears. One's too fancy, one's too small, one is just right. So I'm going to take, this is my black layer. This goes right behind that. And I was going to stamp and color a pencil. Oh, here's my paper. It's white, it's blending in. Let's stamp our pencil. I'm just bringing in some Memento ink. We'll just stamp that right there. While we have that out, we'll stamp our sentiment. So I'm using Just a Note. I put it over here so I can see what I'm doing. And we're going to stamp this kind of in the bottom left corner, just like that. That's how we're stamping. It's a note card, so I'm not stamping the inside. You can use it for anything. And let's do a little coloring. So for the eraser, I'm using light Flirty Flamingo, and this is the perfect eraser color. I brought out my pencil, my number 2 pencil. I'll bring it out here so you can see. I have a big one and a small one. They're a little bit different. And then I'm going to bring in my smoky slate markers. And I'm using the light one to just do a thin silver-ish line right there. And I'm going to use the dark one for my pencil tip for the graphite. You could use black if you wanted. Now this is number 900. This is from the Lights Blends combo pack. It's number 900, but that is the closest one we have to kind of the color of the inside of the wood. Pretty close. You could probably use light crumb cake. That's a little bit darker, but I like this one. And then we're going to use dark Daffodil Delight. So with our yellows, I have several of these that I've used quite a bit, and maybe the tips aren't super firm anymore, but the color's still there, so I'm just going to use those. But we only, in our yellows, we have Lemon Lolly and Daffodil Delight. The dark one is very close, you can see, to, in fact, it's pretty much exactly the same color as my smaller pencil there. So very easy to color this, pencil. All right, so we're gonna trim it out, and I love that it has these nice bold lines, so it makes it real easy to cut right on the line. And because it's a pencil, the lines are pretty straight, so it's, you know, I can even do this from a distance. Usually if I'm cutting in detail right on the line, I need to take my glasses off and get real close. This one, not so much. Now I say that, and I'm gonna cut off the end of the pencil or something dumb. Okay, here we go. Super quick and easy. All right, let's do some assembly. So while I'm assembling this, I just want to remind you that if you spent $50 or more on anything during July, you should have received a bonus days coupon to use this month. So don't forget to use them, because if you don't use them by the end of the month, you lose them, and we don't want that to happen. Okay. We're just going to adhere these two together. I'm going to adhere the black flat because I'm going to pop up my pencil. And then we have our kits on sale this month. I'm going to look and see if I have any kits that I haven't already made up that I can show you all, so I might do that next week. We'll look at some kits next week. All right, and then our mini catalog's coming out next month. I've had a sneak peek. I have placed my demonstrator pre-order. Now, if you are jealous that you don't get to pre-order early, if you're a demonstrator, you get to order early. Just saying. I'd love to have you as part of my team. And you do get to order early, which is one of the best perks about being a demonstrator, aside from saving money. Okay, I want my pencil to look like it just finished writing. So I'm gonna just pop it up right there at the end. And we're just gonna add a little embellishment. I have these are actually the in color dots, and these are the wild wheat, but they're a little bit lighter, a little on the lighter side, so they go really well with our daffodil blends. And they're almost like crushed curry color. Isn't that cute? And that's it. I mean, this, if you want to give your teacher a gift, if you have children or if you have grandchildren and you want to send them on their first day of school with a little gift for the teacher, it never hurts to give gifts to teachers. My kids gave teacher gifts every year, beginning of school, holidays, end of school. Teachers always got an appreciation gift. Teacher Appreciation Week, whatever you want to do. Wouldn't any teacher love to get a set of 4 or 8 or 20 of these note cards that they could use all year? I just think that would be such a fabulous gift. And if you don't have teachers to give it to, it's just fun to send to a friend. Just a note. I love these things. Okay, thanks everybody for stopping in today. Make sure to check back on Saturday. We are going to use the little stethoscope. So it's going to be a little different than probably some of the things you've seen. So I'm super excited about that one. Okay, thanks everyone. And make sure to click subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, so you don't miss out on future videos. And I'll see you Saturday. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.